No, I don't think so.
Okay, so just one more minute. We'll wait for Afrina. Till then, you can put the heading multiplication of vectors. Please let me know once you're done copying the orange lines and then I'll explain it.
Yes, I'm done.
Okay, so what's the statement? It says that if a constant is multiplied to the vector, it is multiplied to both the x and the y components. By this, I mean that let's suppose if k is my constant, my answer will be kx and ky. Are you getting the concept that k is
Yeah.
multiplied to both the x and y? Clear?
Yeah.
Shall I give you a numerical example or you want me to do it for you?
Sorry?
I'm giving a numerical example. You want to give it a try or you want me to do it for you?
I'll try.
Okay, good.
Miss, it's 4 over 2.
Yes, it's forward 2. And what about the other one?
Ten over minus 15.
Yes, very good. So we are clear with how the vectors are multiplied, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Coming to a rule that is known as head to tail rule. Have you heard this name?
No.
Okay. Can you first copy this and then I'll explain what this rule is? It's clear, or you want me to zoom in?
Can you zoom in this a little?
Sure, sure. Is it fine?
Yeah. Miss, I'm done.
Okay, can you read out the rule, please?
It's the point where one vector ends, the other vector begins. In other words, head of one vector is the tail of the other vector.
Okay, so can I say that this is a vector A and this is my vector B? Can you identify the tail and the head? This is the tail and this is the head. Why am I saying this? Because the vector is going in this direction.
Yeah.
Can you see this? Any problem in this part?
No.
Now, let's suppose this this is my vector M and this is my vector N. Any problem so far?
No.
The tail, the head, the tail, the head. Clear?
Yeah.
If I ask you to join these two, how will this look like? This is my vector M, this is my vector N, and this will be M plus N. So can you see this? The head of one vector is the tail of another vector.
Yeah.
Clear? Any problem?
No.
Okay. Let me give you another example and then you can copy all the examples together. Fine?
Yeah.
This is my vector A and this in the opposite direction is my vector negative B. So what will this be? A minus B?
Yeah.
Any problem?
No.
Okay. And if this is my vector A in the opposite direction, you can see the direction, right?
Yeah.
And this is B. So what will this be? This will be B minus A. Why minus A? Because my vector A is in the opposite direction to B. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Any problem in these diagrams?
No.
Okay. Please copy it down.
Hello, Miss.
Hello, Trina. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, Miss. How are you?
I'm good. All good. You're late for class today?
Yeah, 18 minutes late.
All good at your side?
Yep, I just dozed off. I woke up right now.
Oh, okay. Frina, we covered the multiplication of vectors and now we are doing the head to tail rule.
It's like identifying from going one to the other.
Yeah, and you can say that where one vectors end, the another vectors begin.
Yes, okay. What was the other one we did before?
Right?
What was the other one you guys did before head to tail?
Multiplication of vectors. Emily, just a minute, I'm changing the screen. This, it's pretty simple. If there's a constant over here, you multiplied with both the x and the y component. Like we multiplied -5 with -2 and with 3 as well. So we got 10 and -15. Clear?
Okay, yes.
Okay. Girls, are you done with the head to tail rule?
Yeah. I'm done.
Okay. For the addition of vectors, we apply this head to tail rule. I'll tell you how. Let me come back to an example from this. No, let me give you another example. If OA is A and vector OB is B and vector OC is C, can I find AB? Vector AB? Any idea how? I'll write what I need in the start is A and what I need in the end is B, right?
Yeah.
Right. So I'll write AO and OB. I have A in the start, B in the end, and this should be common. Clear?
Yeah.
So do I have AO?
No.
But I have OA, right?
Yeah.
So I can change the direction by changing the sign and I have OB, which is B. So can I simply say that my vector AB is B minus A? Any problem in this part?
No.
You want me to re-explain? Girls, I can re-explain. You want me to do so?
No.
Okay. If the question asks you to find AC, you guys want to try or you want me to do it for you?
We can try.
Yeah, please give it a shot and then I'll do it if you guys are unable to catch up. What will be my equation?
AO plus OC.
Yes, perfect. AO plus OC.
So it's C minus A.
Yes, it's C minus A. Any problem so far?
No.
Both of you are on the same page? Afrina? I think she's disconnected or something. Can you find BC? What will be my equation?
BO plus OC.
Excellent. BO plus OC. Any other way to find out BC? BA plus AC? Can I do that?
Miss, how?
Yes.
If I have BA and I have AC, I can simply reach to BC. This should be common. Nah? I said this should be common. This should not be O always.
Oh.
Try finding out BC from both the methods and see if the answer is matching or not. If I try doing it with this method, what's my BA? Do I have BA?
It will be plus A minus B.
And
For
how are you
BA.
saying that? Can I reverse this vector?
Yes.
Okay. Do I have AC?
Yes. So it will be plus A minus C. Oh, it will be same.
No, plus C minus A, because I am not reversing AC. So minus B, negative B, positive A, positive C, and negative A. Will my negative A and positive A cancel out?
Yes.
Is my answer matching from both the methods?
Yeah.
Any problem so far?
No.
Okay. Is there anything in the explanation part that you want me to cover from this chapter, or should I give you a few practice questions? Can you guys go over your book and tell me, please?
Miss, how do we find vectors through coordinates?
Vectors through?
Coordinates.
Do you have a question in front of you?
No, not right now.
I would suggest that we'll start doing with past paper practice. Maybe we'll find a question and then we'll solve that issue. Is it okay?
Yes, miss.
Okay. First, try attempting the first question. We'll discuss that and then we'll move to the second one. Okay. Girls, are you on the same page?
Yeah.
Yes.
Please let me know once you're done with first question. By this time, shall I expect that you guys are done with the magnitude of R?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Miss, do we solve for t in question number 2?
You're not supposed to do question number 2 right now, dear.
No, like 1 and 2. After finding
For
the magnitude.
one part 2,
Yes.
you, what are you asking?
Do we solve for t?
What's your? You just need to. Yeah, you need. I need numbers for t. You need to express t in column vector like R and S.
Okay. Done, miss.
Okay. What's your answer for the first part?
2 square root 5.
Okay. In decimal terms, it would be 4.42, or without simplifying, you can say under root 20. Yes or no?
Yes.
And what about t?
2, I'm sorry, minus 2 under root 5 over 2.
Uh, um, Why under root 5? We were done with the modulus till here. There was no need to involve the modulus of r in this part. You can simply use r and you can simply use s to find t.
So in the right hand side it will be -2 since 6 times s is 6
I need to
times
find t, right? So I'll make it the subject of the formula. R plus 2t is equals to 6s. 2t
Yes.
is equals to 6s minus r. T is equals to 6s minus r whole upon 2. So I'm using r and I'm using s to find out t. No need to use this thing in the second part.
So that's we will write it like this 6s minus
No,
r by
no, this
2.
is the first step. Now you have to put in these values to express t in this form to give me two numbers for x and y. We did multiplication of vectors, right? So if I'm saying 6s, you'll write 6 into -1 into 3 minus what's r? 2 and 4. Yes or no?
Yes.
So -6 and 18. Why 18? Because I said that the rule is that the constant is multiplied by both the components x and y. Any problem in -6 and 18?
No.
And here I have 2 and 4. -6 and -2 makes -8.
Yes.
And 18 minus 4 is 14. But I have this also. So what I'll do is I'll divide this entire column vector by 2 and my t will be -4 and 7. Any problem till here?
No.
Girls, do I need to repeat this part?
No.
Both of you are clear?
Yes.
Free now.
Yes, Miss Q.
Okay. So we are done with question 1, right?
Yeah.
Hello? Okay. Come on, start doing question number 2. If you are stuck, I'll help you out, but just give it a shot. If you think that the question is difficult and you want me to do it for you in the first attempt, I can do that.
Miss,
Sorry?
can you do
Okay. Now, Emily, can you read the question?
In the diagram, PQRS is a straight line and PQ is equal to QR, which is equal to RS. Given that QR is equal to 2x plus y and PQ is equal to y minus x, expressed in the terms of x or y.
Okay, thank you. If the question says PQ is equals to QR is equals to RS, can I write y minus x over here?
yes
What is the question asking me to find?
RQ?
How can I find that?
We will reverse it. Do
Reverse.
we?
Yes. And reversing in sense will change the sign. So this becomes -y and positive x. So I can say vector RQ is equals to x minus y. Any problem so far?
No.
No.
Girls? Okay. Coming to part 2, which asks me to find OP. I have PQ. I have OQ. Can I find OP?
Yes.
How? OP
PQ
is
plus
equals
Q.
to OQ plus QP. These two are same. This is the first one. This is the last one. Yes or no?
Yes.
What's my OQ?
2x plus y.
2x plus y. What's my QP?
Y minus x. No.
But that's my PQ.
Minus
So for
y.
QP, it will be x minus y.
Yes.
Any problem till this part?
No.
Both of you are clear, right?
Nothing.
Shall I move ahead or do I repeat?
Yeah.
Okay. Positive y, negative y cancelled each other. I got 3x as my vector OP. Any problem?
No.
Would you mind trying this OS? Or you want me to do it?
We
Give
can
it
try.
a try.
Please give it a shot. You want me to make the equation for you?
No.
Okay. Girls, are you done finding OS?
No.
Okay.
Miss, so for the equation, will it be OR plus RS?
Sorry, what? OR plus RS? That's what you're saying?
Yeah.
But dear, you don't have OR. You don't have RS. You just have RS. You don't have OR. So can I write it as OP plus PS?
Yeah.
Miss, did I tell my answer?
Um, just after 1 minute, you can tell me your answer.
Okay.
Fina, what's your answer for OS? Fina? Are you guys done finding OS?
Miss Honey, the PS.
Sorry?
How do you get PS?
See something. It's in the diagram.
Do you have to add like y minus x straight
Yes,
out?
yes. You can even add, or you can simply multiply it by 3, like this. But let me give you a broader explanation. What's my OP from the previous part?
3x.
And if I want to find PS, can I say that it's 3x minus 3y?
Yeah.
So, sorry, 3y minus 3x. Because it's y minus x, right?
Yeah.
Can you see? Now, 3x plus 3y and negative 3x. Can I say that my OS is 3y?
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Afrina, are you with us?
Yes.
Are you getting the same answer?
Miss, I got the same answer, but I used a different method.
Okay, no worries. Can you try doing the third question?
Okay. Done.
Okay. I'm writing the answers. Please check if you have done it right or wrong. Or you can say 3.5. Are you getting the same answers?
But how did you get 3.5?
I'll come to this once Emily is done with her part.
Okay, miss.
Emily, are you done?
Just give me 2 minutes.
Okay.
Miss, for question like part 1, isn't it supposed to be -2 and +3?
Why? I am adding A and B, right?
Yes,
So 3, sorry.
because 3 plus -1 is gonna be, oh wait.
But I'm adding it.
Oh yes,
I'm
but
adding it,
how is
right?
it -3 then? 4 plus 1, sorry, 4 minus 1 is gonna be, oh my god.
Oh, yeah, it's 5. There must be an error in the mark scheme. 5. You're right.
Yes,
For this part, let me do it for you. 4 minus 3 and 3, 1, 2, which makes it 3 plus 3, 6, and 4 minus 3, 1 upon. So it's 3 and 0.5. I think I've seen the answers incorrect. Are you getting the same answer?
yeah.
Okay. Efrina and Emily, I want your answer for the next class. What do you guys want to start? Ratios or 3D solid shapes?
3D solid shapes.
That was Efrina, right?
Yes.
Emily, what do you want?
No, I'm okay with the same.
Okay. I'll try finding a few more practice questions for vectors and functions, or else we'll start 3D solid shape. Meanwhile, in one of our class, we'll go through past papers for these 2 chapters. Okay?
Okay, miss.
It's almost done.
You are getting the same answers?
Yeah,
Okay, perfect. So we don't have any problems in the vector chapter, right?
no.
Okay, I'll try finding a few more questions for you guys, or else we'll start 3D solid shapes in the next class, which is on Wednesday. Clear?
Okay.
Take care, girls. Bye.
Bye.
That's
Love it.